We're officially confused. Waiting 2 years is not preferable. I think we're just gonna kind of make this up now. Okay, no. I got an idea now. We are installing some outdoor furniture here at our Fresh Take on French project. First time we've been back in a couple of years, so it's gonna be really exciting to kind of wrap it all up and see the finished product.
Natural.
Not true. But thanks for thinking so.
Campbell, how many pieces do we have here?
That's a great question. 1, 2, 9, 10, 15, 20 plus for sure.
Grant was a little hopeful we'd be done in 2 hours. When am I gonna break the news to him? We've got a big 120-foot-inch dining table, front and center. We got a fun little seating lounge over here with a couple of sofas. Then we're gonna have just another fun little seating area right here in front of the doors, just to kind of walk outside into the fresh sunshine and hang out with each other. What a mess this is.
They look to be about the same size as the swivel ones, so.
Ay, ay, ay.
They look pretty identical. Okay, I think that's our issue. They're the same.
Why do they have a different
I
name?
don't know, but they look identical.
Maybe it's the same SKU. No, it's not. What the heck?
I wonder if they are supposed to be rockers and we just don't have the, we need to like attach it.
That looks exactly.
There was this hardware on one of the chairs when I walked in.
Because those do not look like finished feet like those. So I bet that's what that is a rocker.
Those are the rocks.
Huzzah! Looks about right.
Oh, did they just like clip on?
That doesn't fit. They really don't give you anything, do they? I guess it makes sense. It definitely goes on those ones. It just doesn't fit very good. No way. Dude, are you done? I don't think I'm done.
Maybe it's a side-to-side rocker.
Actually, that makes me wonder. No. Okay, good.
Well, that would be even worse.
When there's a rocker, it's longer in the back, right? Like when you're rocking? Okay. So this side should be on the back. It just doesn't fit for shit. Yeah, maybe this chair just not meant to have it. I have no idea.
No instructions. Sorry about it.
It's okay. That's why I'm here. I'm the king of jerry-rigging things. Just hope that worked. I had a feeling I was gonna need this. Oh, that was a lot harder than it needed to be. But it's done.
You sit down and it just crumbles.
Bro, I'm not even joking.
Nose goes.
Only had to try 5 different rocker feet.
You look like you just need a glass of sweet tea. Yeah, I'm strong, but I don't know if I'm that strong.
How strong?
Did you see anything move? I'm thinking we use some wheels.
Wow.
You did it.
Okay. Am I near it?
You're good.
I'm on
Yeah,
it.
you're on it.
Oh.
Nice. Nice. There we go.
We're gonna have to like hold it.
I'll hold it.
Okay, ready?
Do you think this puppy can off-road? Okay.
Oh, you didn't film that, right?
Could have been worse. Look at you. Cute.
Well, I just found a cute little egg.
An egg? What?
It's legit a little egg.
It is. It's beautiful.
I thought it was fake. We just found a teeny egg on the ground.
Congrats, Mama.
I need like a flashlight on it. I don't see it.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. It's our baby.
It's a yolk.
That's the most beautiful egg I've ever seen.
It was just on the rock. I can't imagine that was the nest.
There's no way.
Did I already ruin it? It was literally on the rock.
I think we're obligated to raise it now.
Did we just become parents, Melissa?
I think so. I'm so happy we're doing this together.
Put it back for now. That feels safer than there. That is the prettiest blue I've ever seen.
It is so pretty. Wow, what a find.
Why was I late?
Yeah.
We were trying to hang art on some cool wood paneling. We left the guy there, and then when I got back, it was 1/8 of an inch off, but even I could tell. And if I can tell, then you know it was done wrong. We had to call him back. So anyways, we grabbed some Thai food. We made it back. It's level now. It's beautiful. It worked out. But that's why we're late, and that's why we'll be working late into the weekend.
She's just not angry enough for me. I need something to encourage the brain to work.
Yeah, this is like, let's go take a nap.
Probably just goes on top of it with those, but I just don't know how those connect.
Maybe they're magnetic.
Or magic.
Oh, true.
It could be magic. Mic'd up. Can't say that.
Can't say what? You already said we're gonna fire Tanner, so.
I'll be like, it was Tanner's job. We can fire him. Easy.
I already went into the bathroom mic'd up, so.
Hey, Tanner.
Yeah.
You ever hear of teamwork makes the dream work?
No. Tell me more.
That's what this looks like.
This is the dream?
Yeah, we're smart. This is the dream. This right here is the dream. We got a big tabletop coming up. It's 12 feet long, 400 pounds. We're hoping we get it done. That's why Craig's here.
How is the install going?
It's going good. Our original landscaping plans have changed, so we're doing a little bit of reworking, moving things around so it works with the new landscaping plans. But it's beautiful, so it's gonna work. We got it.
What changed with the landscaping?
A lot. There originally was like a pool going in. That's not there now, but it's good. It's still gonna work. It's still gonna be super pretty.
The Dasani water's not that bad. Yep. People are over dramatic about it. Dasani, if you want to rep me, I can rep you.
This Bond design video is brought to you by Design.
By Dasani water. It's right here.
How heavy do you think that thing is?
It's 400 pounds.
That whole thing?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah.
We are taking the 400-pound dining tabletop in the mini excavator because we're problem solvers.
It's on rollers. It's actually rollers, yeah.
I think we just push it over the stairs. I mean, it's only like 30 feet. I wouldn't be able to push this if I didn't do kettlebell workouts. It's nice, Campbell. We're good. Can we lay it on the side? If we come down. Watch out, guys. All right. Down the middle. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're down the middle. On the first try.
First try?
You heard it here first, baby.
Saw that?
Let's move this in my dress and sandals. Right, yeah. Okay, so how many we got? This is gonna be pretty.
You guys, we did it. Long, hard day, but we did it. We finished. Can you believe we got this 400-pound table up these stairs? We can't believe it ourselves. Super excited. We got conversation area over here. We've got another conversation over here. Got our little fire pit and some loungers to top it all off just to hang out. I think it's a classy space. We're ready for a party. Everybody come subscribe. We got a lot more things going on. We're excited to show you.